we just want to make a couple of announcements. The International Day of Happiness is coming up March 19th, when we will be celebrating in Kansas City. Only a few cities get chosen to actually get an actual wall sent to them. All the other cities, I don't know if you know this, but all the other cities have to build their own wall, and they have to makeshift a day of happiness. But Kansas City is so amazing that we have been chosen to have an actual wall. So we'll get lots of attention, and we'll have to be posting on Facebook. So right now we're still in the stages of finalizing the venue, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to be at the Legends shopping mall. And we'll be looking on social media. We'll be posting it, and your leaders will know about it as soon as we know. Hopefully we'll find out no later than Monday. But it's March 19th. It'll be sometime mid-morning to afternoon. There's like a 4-hour, probably be like 11 to 3 or 1 to 5, something like that. But just look for that. But just put on your calendar March 19th. This year we're so excited because it's a Saturday. Most of the time we celebrate it on a Friday, and so a lot of people are at work. So this time it's going to be awesome. So bring your kids, bring your families. It's a day of happiness. We're just going to celebrate and spread a little cheer. Don't shed it.
Shed a tear.
Shed a tear. Spread some cheer. Yeah. Okay. So a couple of things.
Oh, we're not giving those away.
Yeah, a couple of things we're going to give away. So first of all, we always like to give for Carl. So Carl is getting a gift next month. Next month we are going to be moving our location to the KU Edwards campus. And the KU Edwards campus is like super fly as far as electronics goes, and it's just a plug-in and it's done. We have screens. We push a button and a screen comes out of the ceiling. Actually, 3 screens come out of the ceiling. So Carl's going to get a little break, but he's still on retainer in case we have a crisis. I had a dream about Carl last night. Husbands come and husbands go, right? This morning, and Carl was still happy from last night, and he decided we were just going to have a karaoke party instead of a meal. So sometime we might have to do that, but thank you for being so hard this morning. I appreciate it. Okay. I still want you to come back. Okay, so we're going to just draw for a couple of prizes. Okay, 271485. Okay, the second one is 271557. Look at this awesome Mary bag you can take to conference.
Yeah.
One more. 271582.
That's crazy. That's me. Yeah, it is me.
Right.
Yeah.
You got a Miriam backpack.
There's an extra D around with her now.
we always like to give our speaker a little gift. And Sarah is so awesome. We love that she comes and visits us. And this is one of my favorite necklaces. I give it to a lot of my friends. But it's a necklace that says Unstoppable on it. And there's a little thing in here that says, be an unstoppable force, like the little engine that could. Remember him? I think I can. I think I can. Well, like him, it's up to you to be your most powerful self. Like him, you are stronger than your concerns or your worries. And like him, you must focus on your goals. Trust your intuition and live a courageous life. Find the way. No one will make this dream life come true for you but you. You are unstoppable.
What did that?
And wait. You also get thin mints. Okay, 271530. You also get thin mints. Thank you. And the Girl Scouts, thank you. And our waistline, thank you. One more. 271498.
Me. Oh, there you go. No, I don't want any of those.
That's lying. You do want them.
Acknowledge you understand that.
Okay, so next month we're gonna have a little. Oh yeah, that's right. What about that? So last regional we had. Did I bring my thing up here? They're in the back in my back. Oh, wait. No, they're not. Hold on. Here it is. Okay, so last regional, we had everyone who pre-registered got the chance to win a free conference ticket. So here's the deal. We're going to have Sarah pick a number, and whoever's number that is wins the ticket. If you already have a ticket for a conference, you've already bought it, and you want to redonate it back to someone, we'll have Sarah pick another prize or pick another number. If you want, you can donate that ticket to another team member. You can take a friend, whatever you want. So thank you for pre-registering. That's awesome. We're going to do that again today. Have pre-registration in the back. But Sarah, pick a number between 1 and 64.
41.
Ooh, I like that. Completely random. Christina Strickland. Oh. Bummer, dude. Another number. 17.
Did she give her a ticket today? Doesn't matter. She's not here.
Oh, and number 17 is not here. I know that.
Okay. They're 10 strong. 14.
Megan Leckler.
Woo!
So I'll just give it to Megan and we'll get that transferred to whoever you want. So thank you for pre-registering. Okay, so now we have a special surprise for you guys. So we're going to give you a little preview of what's to come next month at next month's regional. Next month's regional is going to be